when we look at our analysis section, in the previous video I was just looking at how you find the probability for your simulation data. If instead of that investigation question, say you had the investigation question where you had to find the average number of times that an event occurs, this is when we will use NZ-Grapher to find this. So if I just go back to here, so calculating the measure of centre, remember to find where the centre is, we can use two measures. Either we can find the mean or we can find the median. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to have our data that we've gone and found already with our total frequency, and that total frequency is what we're going to import into NZ-Grapher and get some statistics out. So let's just jump back to our actual data. So this is my data here, and this is where I have all the information. I've done my 50 trials down the side, I've generated up to 20 children, and I found the total frequency. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this total frequency column, and that's the column I want, and I'm going to copy that. So I'm just going to say copy that. Then I'm going to go to my NZ-Grapher, I'm going to paste a table, and I am going to paste the data there and import that. Now what I want to do is I want to get the graph type and do a dot plot, and I'm going to have my total frequency as my variable, and it's obviously just being a little bit slow. So there's our graph. We can then add the summaries to that, and I can also add my box plot to that, and I can see there I've got a median of 8 and I've got a mean of 8.9. So if my investigation question was, I wonder what the average number of times, or in this case I wonder what the average number of children a couple needs to have before they have all four eye colours, I would probably, given this distribution here, it looks kind of a bit bimodalish, I would tend to go for the median and say the median number of children that a couple would need to have before being likely to have all four eye colours is 8 children. And this, you'd also change the graph title, put a good graph in there, and copy and paste that into your document. And that's what you need to do now for your the exercise that you've got there.